Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we showed you the messy and not so glamorous parts of remodeling. If you didn't get a chance to see that video, I will link it in the description below, so make sure you check it out to see the progression of this remodel thus far. This is the exciting part. We're beginning to put things back into the bathroom and have it all come together and become a beautiful bathroom. I'm super excited to reveal to you guys the finished product, so make sure you stay tuned to the end and comment below and let me know what you guys think of this transition.
The main floor tile we used in this bathroom was a porcelain tile by the brand American Olean. It is the historic bridge collection in the color Old Forge. We used 6 by 36 size tiles. The vanity base and linen cabinets that we used is the Waypoint 750F door style in the color Maple Stone. The 750F door style is a full overlay door with a beaded mitered recessed panel, and the Maple Stone color is a warm medium gray finish. The main wall tile in the shower is American Olean Urban Canvas Wave Gloss and Light Smoke, which we tiled to the ceiling. We also incorporated an accent strip of American Olean Generations Facets Marble Glass Mosaic. On the shower floor, we used Garden State Perfect Pebble Island Stone in Sumatra Black stone tiles. And here is the completed bathroom. We were able to turn this old, outdated bath into a modern and much more functional space. In order to do that, we redesigned the whole layout of the bathroom, starting with removing the linen closet to open up the space. In order to retain the storage, we put a linen cabinet where the toilet was and moved the toilet to the opposite wall where there was an acrylic tub surround. That unit was replaced with a tiled shower with a frameless glass door, which we moved and built in the location where we removed the linen closet. Everything just rotated around the room and ended up fitting perfectly. It really is an amazing transition. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.